Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm reviewing the new retirement plan contribution limits for 2020. Hey, it's Matt Jackson here from 401k Maneuver, where we provide online professional account management to help employees just like you grow and protect their 401k account with the goals of improving your account performance, managing downside risk, and reducing fees that naturally harm account performance. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button for our channel, and the links to everything that we mentioned in this video you can find in the description box below. The IRS announced new retirement plan contribution limits for 2020, which means you have the opportunity to save even more next year. With company pensions disappearing and the future of Social Security unknown, more of us are now more responsible than ever to ensure that we are set up for retirement. So whether it's a 401k, an individual retirement account, also known as an IRA, or other form of savings, it's up to us to create our own retirement income. So if you aren't thinking about your retirement income now, if you haven't given any thought to the lifestyle that you want when you retire, and if you don't have any plans on how you might meet your retirement goals, chances are you'll be like too many Americans and not have enough income at retirement. So listen up for the changes to retirement plan contribution limits for 2020 and do what you can to maximize your savings next year. Your future self's gonna thank you. Let's start out talking about 401k retirement plan contribution limits for 2020. Employee 401k contribution limits for 2020 have gone up from $19,000 in 2019 to $19,500. And this applies to 401ks, 403bs, most 457 plans, and the federal government's thrift savings plan. For those age 50 and older, the 401k catch-up contribution limit will also increase $500 from $6,000 in 2019 to $6,500 in 2020. This means if you're 50 or older and need to catch up on retirement savings, you'll be able to save $26,000 in your 401k in 2020. If you turn 50 anytime during December of 2020, you're still eligible to contribute the additional $6,500. Now here's a quick tip. You don't have to wait for enrollment season to make changes to your 401k elections. You can make the changes anytime during the year. Let's move on to after-tax 401k contributions. If you're self-employed or your employer allows for after-tax contributions, the overall defined contribution plan limit will increase to $57,000 for 2020, up from $56,000 in 2019. The $57,000 is a cap of the maximum $19,500 contribution limit deferral plus employer contributions. Solo 401ks. If you have a solo 401k, otherwise known as a self-employed 401k or individual 401k, the contributions limits will increase to $57,000 in 2020, up from $56,000 in 2019. How about IRA plan contribution limits for 2020? Individual retirement account plan contribution limits stay the same for 2020 with a $6,000 maximum contribution limit. The catch-up contribution for people aged 50 and over remains the same, additional $1,000. Here's my second tip. You can contribute the maximum for 2019 until April 15th of 2020. If you have an IRA, plan now to maximize the contribution limit for 2019 before April of next year. How about SEP IRAs? Contribution limits for SEP IRAs or simplified employee pensions will go up $1,000 from $56,000 in 2019 to $57,000 in 2020. Simple IRAs. Contribution limits will increase in 2020 for simple retirement plans. The maximum contribution limit will be $13,500 in 2020, up from $13,000 in 2019. Hey, do me a favor, if you're still watching, make sure you hit the subscribe button to our channel, hit the like button for this video, and make sure you hit the little bell on the bottom right to get a notification for the next time that we post valuable content for you. What about deductible IRA phase-outs? The tax deduction for singles and heads of households who are covered by a workplace retirement plan, such as a 401k and also contribute to a traditional IRA, the phase-out range is $65,000 to $75,000 for 2020. This is up from $64,000 to $74,000 in 2019. For 2020, the adjusted gross income phase-out for married couples who are filing jointly and contributing to a traditional IRA begins phasing out at $104,000 and disappears at $124,000. This is up from $103,000 and $123,000 for 2019. If you contribute to an IRA but are not covered by a workplace retirement plan and are married to somebody who is, the deduction is phased out if your joint income is between $196,000 and $204,000. This is up from $193,000 and $203,000 in 2019. Last, if you're married but filing separately and you don't contribute to a workplace retirement plan, the phase-out range remains $0 to $10,000. Now here's a tip. You can still contribute to an IRA even if you make too much money. It's just non-deductible. Roth IRA phase-outs. The phase-out range for married couples filing jointly who are covered by a workplace retirement plan and contribute to a Roth IRA in 2020 will be $196,000 to $206,000, up from $193,000 to $203,000 in 2019. For heads of household or those filing as single, the phase-out is $124,000 to $139,000, which is up from $122,000 to $137,000 in 2019. Other retirement plan contribution limits for 2020. Let's talk about defined benefit plans. The limit on the annual contribution of a defined benefit plan in 2020 will be $230,000, up from $225,000 in 2019. Now let's not forget to talk about the Savers Credit. For low and moderate income workers, the new Savers Credit, which is also known as the Retirement Savings Contributions Credit, limit is $65,000 for married couples filing jointly, up from $64,000 in 2019. For heads of the household, the limit has increased from $48,000 in 2019 to $48,750 in 2020. For singles and married couples filing separately, the limit is $32,500 in 2020, up $500 from 2019. Let's talk about saving more for retirement in 2020. With healthcare and the cost of living rising and tax rules unknown in 5, 10, and 20 years, listen, it's super crucial to have enough money saved to comfortably retire. Let's say you had $250,000 at retirement age and you were making $50,000 per year at your job when you retire. How long do you think those funds are going to last you in retirement? Is this going to give you the retirement that you've really thought about for decades? For most, the answer is no, and not even close. There is one thing that may ensure you have enough to live on during retirement, and that's contribute the maximum amount you can in any given year. Even if you're too close to retirement, it's not too late to do what you can to take advantage of the catch-up contribution limits and save the most allowed. If you have a 401k and you can't max out the annual contribution limits for 2020, at least put in enough to get the full company match. Because when your company matches you, it's like getting free money. We encourage you to sit down, create a budget for 2020, and see how you can contribute more to your retirement plans. And remember, if you don't invest in your future, nobody's going to do it for you. If you'd like more tips on how to have more income at retirement, download our guide on how to supercharge your 401k performance today.